just drawing a blank.
Muscles are very tight and very painful. So even driving normally on the road, which doesn't require a lot of steering, is painful, and it can lead to a lot of fatigue. So I wasn't really sure if I would be able to even do rallycross.
The second course you go over is called the bunker in the novice class. It's probably my favorite area. It's a very high-speed corner with a lot of changing conditions. You start off in the shade with lots of mud. You go into a dirt area that's a little bit slick, across a concrete pad. What might be slick might have a lot of grip, just depends on if the water truck's been over it or not. You go into a decreased radius turn across the finish line where it's a little bit soft, but I missed some of this stuff because I was taking a break somewhere else. This corner is like what I imagine the epitome of racing on dirt is. It's really hard to get the hang of, but once you get an idea for what you're doing, you can do a lot of fun stuff, do it really high speed. While I'm growing more confident and speeding up, my daughter's having a more difficult time slowing down. She's struggling to find the strength and ability to react fast enough to the changing surface conditions of this course. My daughter's last run of the day, she steers into the decreasing radius at the end of the bunker too late, ends up kicking the back of the car out, overcorrects, comes back across the track to take out a cone. Her reaction time's getting slower and her ability to deal with the changing conditions is getting slower. So we have to make a decision now. The day is half over now. Do we push through the rest of today and risk possibly having issues tomorrow during the actual racing event, or do we let her rest for the rest of today so she's better prepared for the racing event tomorrow?